In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a product image from Alibaba.com using Google Chrome. This is a simple skill that can be quite handy if you're doing research, creating presentations, or just need to keep a visual reference of a product. Let's begin by opening your Google Chrome browser. Once you're there, type in Alibaba.com in the address bar and press enter. This should take you directly to the Alibaba homepage, where you can explore the vast array of products that Alibaba offers. Spend some time browsing through the various categories, or if you have a specific item in mind, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to jump straight to a product you're interested in. After you've found a product that you'd like to learn more about, click on it to navigate to the product page. This page will give you all the details you need about the product. You'll see descriptions, specifications, pricing options, and most importantly, images of the product. These images give you a better idea of what is being sold and can be crucial for understanding its features. Next, locate the product image you want to save. Position your mouse over the image, and here comes the trick. Right-click on the image. A context menu will appear with several options. What you need to do here is select Save Image As. This step is important because it allows you to store the image on your device for later use. Once you click Save Image As, a file dialog box will pop up. This is where you decide exactly where on your computer you'd like to save this image. You have the freedom to choose any folder, whether it's one you use often, like your Downloads folder, or perhaps a specific folder you've created to organize your images. Double check the file name offered to ensure it makes sense to you, and then hit Save. And there you have it. The image is now saved to your device, ready for any use you may have in mind. Whether it's for reference, sharing, or personal use, make sure to store it in a location that's easy to remember so you can access it whenever you need. This method is not only applicable to Alibaba, but can also be used for saving images from most websites, making it a versatile skill for any internet user. Remember, it's always a good idea to respect image copyrights and use saved images appropriately. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful.